Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd, subject Marigold. Workbook. Unit 8, The Mumbai Musicians. Page number 131. In our previous video, we have discussed this story. Now today, we are going to start our work in Marigold Workbook. So let's see. Here, first activity given, look, listen and repeat. So there are some words given that we have to practice to read and we have to repeat it to learn. Okay, so let's see. First word is musicians. Time, lived, named, worked, years, farmer, carried, heavy, sex, corn, sugarcane, farm, factory, tired, world, goodbye, set, off, towards, city, music, replied, friends, dusty, road, fur, become, together, along, love, wish, join, bend, reached, peeped, through, delicious, food, decided, people, inside, know, sang, thought, ghosts, scare. Okay, now these words you have to also practice to read it. Okay, now let's see next activity. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. Here are some questions given. Each question has 4 options. So we have to find correct one option. Okay, so let's see. First one is Gupu worked for a days. Gupu worked for a days. Options are A, washerman, B, farmer, C, milkman, D, tailor. So which is the correct answer? Yes, Gopu worked for a farmer for many years. So option B is correct one. So here we write letter B in this box. Now let's see second one. Gopu carried heavy sacks of days. So options are sand and mud, wheat and rice, grass and corn, corn and sugarcane. So which is the correct answer? Yes, corn and sugarcane. So here we write letter D in this box. Then third one. The farmer asked Gupu to see the world because he was days. Options are A, tired and old, B, young and happy, C, tired and sad, D, old and happy. So which is the correct one? Yes, the farmer asked Gupu to see the world because he was tired and old. So here letter A. Okay, now fourth one. Gupu wanted to become a dish. Gupu wanted to become a dish. Options are actor, dancer, musician, singer. What Gupu want to be? Yes, musician. Option C. So here we write letter C in this box. So Gupu wanted to become a musician. Fifth one, Gupu set off for days. Gupu set off for options are Mumbai, Delhi, Goa, farm. So which is the correct answer? Yes. Answer is Mumbai. Option A. So here we write a letter A in this box. Now sixth one, the ball of fur on the road was a dish. What was that? Options are dog, donkey, cock, cat. Yes, it was a cat. So the ball of fur on the road was a cat. So here letter D in this box. Then seventh one, when the musicians reached a house, they were this. When the musicians reached a house, they were this. Options are tired and sleepy, tired and hungry, hungry and thirsty, hungry and sleepy. So which is the correct answer? Yes, they were tired and hungry. So option B. Next one. What did the musicians see on the table? When they reached a house, what did they see? So options are fruits, vegetables, drinks, food. So what they see? Yes, option D, food. So here D. Then next one, the people in the house thought that they were days. The people in the house thought that they were days. Options are A, robbers, B, ghost, C, pets, wild animals. Which is the correct answer? Yes, they thought they were ghost. So here letter B in this box. Now last one, the people in the house were days. The people in the house were days. Options are brave, puzzled, scared, surprised. So which is the correct answer? Yes, they were scared. Option C. So here we write letter C in this box. Okay, now next question. Answer the questions. Here some question given from this story. So we will try to give their answers. Okay. So let's see. First question is, for whom did Gopu work? For whom did Gopu work? So answer is Gopu worked for a farmer. Then second one, why did farmer ask Gopu to go and see the world? Why did the farmer ask Gopu to go and see the world? So answer is, the farmer asked Gopu to see the world because he was tired and old. Because he was tired and old. Next question. What did Gopu want to become? What did Gopu want to become? So answer is, Gopu wanted to become a musician. Next one, who joined Gopu? Who joined Gopu? So first, dog, then cat and Puku joined Gopu. Okay, now last one. What did the people in the house think? What did the people in the house think? So answer is, the people in the house thought that they were ghosts. The people in the house thought that they were ghosts. Okay, now this whole work you have to complete it in your Marigold workbook. Okay, and also this word you have to learn to read. Okay, thank you.